Hey all! I just wanted to pop on and show you one of my absolute favorite Tupperware items. This is the microwave breakfast maker, and I am going to show you how to make a brownie in under 90 seconds in your microwave. So with the breakfast maker, it comes with two little inserts, and you can do things like make omelets or scrambled eggs, poached eggs, anything like that in them. But tonight we're just going to do the base of the breakfast maker. So I'm going to put the cups to the side here, and in the bottom you're going to put 4 tablespoons of hot cocoa mix. I've actually measured out my packets, and I know it takes 2 packets to make 4 tablespoons. There's 2 tablespoons in each. So what I'm going to do is, if I can get them open, I'm going to pour those into the bottom. It can be any hot cocoa mix you want. I just find the packets are the easiest. You're then going to add 3 tablespoons of flour. I have it already measured out. Add to that 2 tablespoons of water. Two tablespoons of vegetable oil. And last but not least, a half teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now, all you do is give it a stir, mix it up really well. Some people do this in a separate bowl and then mix it. I find one less bowl to wash and it mixes up pretty well. So get that all mixed. And once everything's all mixed in, I just kind of spread it out a bit so that it's fairly even, not climbing up the sides. Now, on top of that, you can put things like chocolate chips or something like that. Marshmallows, chocolate chips, anything like that. I didn't have chocolate chips, so I have Reese's peanut butter chips, and you're just going to sprinkle those on the top. And you can use as little or as much as you want. Then you're going to put the cover on. You're going to pop it into your microwave for 90 seconds. And I'm going to pause this while that cooks so you don't have to sit here looking at me for 90 seconds. Okay, so as you can hear, the microwave just beeped. I'm going to open this up. Please excuse my door with the moving. Everything is a mess. I'm going to carefully take it out. You may want to use pot holders because it does get warm. Lift off the cover, and I don't know if you can see that wonderful gooey brownie. Now, if it's undercooked for you, you can put it in for up to 2 minutes. It all depends on the power of your microwave, but under 2 minutes and a nice fresh hot chocolatey brownie, yeah, it's good. If you want the recipe, message me and I will be glad to shoot it off to you. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great night.